What's up everybody, good morning, hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Optimism or OP. Wanted to do a video on this. In general, it's been one of the most bullish cryptos. Got quite a big pump yesterday evening, and in general what you're seeing right now in the market. To first of all talk a little bit about the fundamentals, which we will do. When you look at the market right now, what you saw yesterday is that Ethereum actually showed quite a lot of strength. Ethereum got a little bit of a boost right here at the same point of time. So what happened is that Ethereum against Bitcoin right here, which is this chart, for the first time in a very long time has actually turned relatively bullish. So what you see most of the time then is that Ethereum related coins such as Optimism, but also ETHFi, for example, they turned quite bullish. And in general, I think the chart of Optimism right here against ETHFi, which if I can find that, looks like this. I think the charts are very similar. So the main thing we have to wait for, I think fundamentally, we'll talk about the technicals as well, but the fundamentals I always think matter a little bit more. And what we need to see as we're heading into a new week is a continued bullish Ethereum against Bitcoin. All right, if Ethereum relatively stays bullish and gets a rallies up like this, then Ethereum beta coins can also stay bullish. So that's fundamentally what I would keep an eye on, if you can. But ultimately, what's most important is just that the market is bullish. All right, because right now for Optimism, look, purely technically, we're relatively strong here. All right, we got some bullish breakouts. We technically broke above this trend line right here, for example. So that matters, but we also broke above 2.5, we broke above 2.6 here, which are all relatively small, but relevant key levels for Optimism. So we got some bullish confirmations, but now if you purely look at the technicals, while I quickly refresh my camera, if you look at that, the main resistance level for Optimism to really turn bullish is 2.85. And that's still quite some moves away, all right? 2.85 from the current levels we're at right now is way about 6%, which with this move we already had is not that much, but you do need quite a lot of momentum to break above that. And I am not sure if Optimism has that momentum. Especially, look, a lot of the momentum has already been spent in the last 24 hours to get that initial pump. And you can see that it's still going up, all right? So at this moment, on the short-term time frame, Optimism is still bullish. Let that be clear. I just don't think that the momentum right here, it is slowing down. It's still increasing, but it's slowing down. And apart from that, I'm not sure whether Bitcoin can actually, and whether the market is actually going to be bullish. And I do think that that's necessary. So at this moment, I do think that, like I said, on the short term, we're bullish. So I do think we can rally a bit higher towards 2.8 and 2.85. But I think the only way we can actually break above that and do something like this is if we see a strong Ethereum and Bitcoin. And that's not something I can predict. All right, new capital, new money is about to flow into the markets. That will determine what the rest of the cryptos will do too. And with the strength from Bitcoin and Ethereum we've seen in the last couple of weeks, I don't think this is most likely. I think it's most likely that, like I said, short-term bullish, we will rally up there, but that we will find resistance and ultimately drop back down to 2.5 and 2.4 and continue this consolidation down here. That's what I think is most likely. I will keep my eyes, and you can also see I have a price alert at 2.8. So if the market does turn bullish, keep an eye on that and be ready to long the breakout. But for now, I don't think I think you should be prepared for it. I don't think you should expect it. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.